In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the query formula in Google Sheets. This powerful tool allows you to quickly filter, sort, and analyze data within your spreadsheets, making your data processing a breeze. Whether you're new to Google Sheets or just looking to fine-tune your skills, this is a great function to learn. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open a Google Sheet. If you already have one in mind that you'd like to work on, go ahead and open that. Otherwise, you can start a new sheet. To do this, simply head over to Google Sheets and select Blank from the options. This will give us a clean slate to work from. Once you're in your sheet, locate the tab at the bottom labeled Query. This is where we'll be working today. If you don't see this tab, you can create a new one by clicking the plus icon at the bottom left of the screen. Click on the Query tab to ensure you're working in the right place. Now that you're on the right sheet and tab, click on cell A1. This is our starting point for entering the query formula. When working with formulas, precision is key, so ensure that A1 is selected before proceeding. In cell A1, you'll want to type the following formula. query sales AH, select cell. Let's break this down for clarity. The query function is versatile. Here, sales AH specifies the data range we're querying. It's important that this range is accurate for the data you want to analyze. The select part is an SQL-like statement. Select is used to fetch data from your specified range, and the asterisk means to select all columns within that range. After you've carefully typed in the formula, it's time to execute it. Simply press the Enter key, and voila! Google Sheets will automatically pull all the data from the sales sheet within columns A through H. The data should now display in the Query tab where you entered the formula. And there you have it. You've successfully used the query function to fetch and display data from another sheet. This simple step is incredibly helpful for organizing and analyzing large data sets efficiently. As you become more comfortable with this formula, you can explore more complex queries to enhance your data analysis even further. Remember, practice makes perfect. So take some time to experiment with different ranges and SQL-like commands within your query formula to see all the cool ways you can manipulate data. Thanks for joining me today and happy querying.